welcome to the VDV channel. So we already completed LCM, HCF entire topic. Let's see what are the different questions in this topic. Okay, first question, see. The LCM of two numbers is 495, they is given as LCM, and their HCF is equal to 5. If sum of two numbers, if you add those two numbers is equal to 100, then find the differences. So we know the rule, see, product of two numbers exactly equal to LCM of two numbers into HCF of two numbers. According to the formula you can go. So if you want numbers means one number is equal to x and other number is equal to 100 minus x, exactly equal to. LCM of two numbers is equal to 495 and HCF is equal to 5. You can solve, you get the answer. But this is the quadratic approach. So we have another approach to go with the HCF. See, if HCF is given, the given numbers are 5x and 5y. So out of 5x and 5y, the LCM of two numbers is equal to 5xy. And we clearly mentioned that xy we can call as a co-prime number. Then see, 5xy we can given as 495. So you can go with the cancellation. So 5 become 5 9s are and 5 9s are. Then xy become 99. Then xy become a 99. Just go with the co-primes. What are the co-prime primes here? 1, 99 is the co-prime prime, and next one 9, 11 is the co-prime prime, and next one 3, 33 is not a co-prime. Why? Because 333 the highest common factor become a 1. So we have a 2 chances. Then the two numbers you can replace as here. So 5 1s are 5, 5 99s are 495. But we get sum of numbers is equal to 100. That's why 1 and 99 is not an answer. Then you can replace as here. 5 9s are 45. 5 11s are 55. So 5 9s are 45, 5 11s are 55. Sum of two numbers is equal to 100 means these are the exact numbers. Here my question, find their difference. The difference between 45 and 55 is equal to 10. Take a concept of HCF. Then xy must be a co-prime number. Then go to the second question. See, if two numbers both are greater than 29. So you just consider the given numbers are always greater than 29. And the HCF is 29 and LCM is equal to 4147, then find the sum of two numbers. See, if HCF is given, the numbers are 29x and 29y. If the LCM become 29xy exactly equal to 4147, this is the number. So then go with the cancellation. 29 ones are 29, so we left with a remainder of 12. So we left 124. Again 29 3s are, so 29 3s are, check it out. So 9 3s are 27, 3 2s are 6 and 87. So we have one more chances here. And so 29 4s are, why? Because 34s are 120 and 120 become a subtracted, that is absolutely for 4 times, and remaining 8 as if carry forward, the value become 3 times. Then xy value is equal to 143. Then what are the factors of 143? So the factors of 143 means 1, 143 and next one 11, 13. These are the two factors. So co-prime numbers. Okay, then see question. Find the sum of numbers. Sum of numbers means 29 into 11 is a one number and 29 into 13 is the other number. If you add these two numbers, so 29 be the common number into 11 and 13, sum of two numbers is equal to 24. So if you go with the calculation, we can consider these value become 30 minus 1. See, 24 3s are 720 and you can subtract the 24. The value becomes 696. So answer is equal to 696. Then see, find the HCF of these numbers. If it is a fraction, the formula is HCF of numerator divisible by LCM of denominator. This is the direct formula. Then see, 246 exactly cancellation on 2 means the numerator is equal to 2. If you want denominator means 3, 5, 7 LCM means multiply these three numbers. 7 5s are 35, 35 3s are 105. So answer is equal to 2 divisible by 105. And if they given as a P and Q, find the HCF. If it is a factorization concept, the HCF always consider as lowest power. And definitely we required a common number. So that is mentioned in the previous session. Then see, the lowest power of 2. So here the lowest power is equal to 2 cube. And 3 power 10, 3 power 3. The lowest power is equal to 3 power 1. And 5, there is a no common number. 7, there is a no common number. So answer is equal to 2 cube into 3. So 2 cube into 3. So option is equal to B. The next question, see. If sum of two numbers, if you add those two numbers, the resultant is 36. If their HCF and LCMs are 3 and 105. See, if HCF is 3, the numbers are 3x and 3y. If LCM of these two numbers are 3xy exactly equal to 105. Then cancel here. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are, then xy become 35. So if you got resultant is equal to 35, the product of numbers are 1 comma 35 is a co-prime and 5 comma 7 is the other co-prime. He said that sum of two numbers, if you replaces x by 1, y by 35, definitely sum note is not 36. So that's why eliminated. Then 5 comma 7 is the exact pair. Simply replaces here. 5 3s are 15, 3 7s are 21. If we add these two numbers, the numbers are 36. Means the exact numbers are 15 and 21. Here my question, the sum of those reciprocals, the reciprocals of sum is equal to 1 by 15, 1 by 21. Then see, the LCM of these numbers is equal to 105. Clear? And 15 7s are 105, 21 5s are 105. So answer 12 by 105. So we have a 3 cancellation. So 3 4s are and 3 3s are 3 35s are. So answer 4 by 35. This is the option. Okay, see next one. A milk vendor has 21 liters of cow milk, 42 liters of tone milk and 63 liters of double tone milk. If he wants to pack them in a can so that each contain same number of liters of milk and does not want in a can, then least number of cans. See, if you want to go with the least number of cans, for example, here this is the can, this is the can and this is the can. For example, we have a 3 cans. So whatever the 3 cans we can define as least number. See, each can consisting of equal number of liters. So they are occupying with some liters of milk in this can. See, each occupancy I can call as maximum occupancy of milk in the can. So every maximum value I can find out with the help of HCF only. First we need to decide at the maximum, then we can get the minimum number of cans. Then find that. So 21, 63, 42. So the highest common factor of all these parameters is equal to 21. See, if 21 is HCF means each can, the maximum capacity is equal to 21. So the total number of cans means, so 21 divisible by 21 one time. So this is 2 times and this is 3 times. The total number of minimum cans in this question is equal to 6 cans. Next one. What is the greatest number which divides 307, 330, leaving a remainder of 3 and 7? See, if you want greatest number means the answer is equal to HCF of 307 minus 3 and 330 minus of 7. So if you subtracted these resultant, then find the HCF and you get the answer. Or otherwise, you can go with the direct option verification. So 307 divisible by 19, you get the remainder is a 3. Why? Because see, if you want to go with option verification, 307 divisible by 19. So 19 ones are 19. So 19 ones are 19, we get a remainder of 117. 19 6 are 114. So 114 means again we get the 3 as a remainder. So option is equal to 19. If you go to option verification or otherwise find the HCF of these value minus these one and 330 minus 7, you get the answer. In the same way, the largest number which when divides 25, 73, 97 leaves as the same remainder in each case. So you can go with option verification. If you go with the first option, if 25 divisible by 24, we get the remainder 1. If 73 divisible by 24, 24 3s are 72, again we get a remainder 1. And 97 divisible by 24, 24 4s are 96, again we get the remainder 1. So that's why option is equal to 24. If you want procedure means, simply see, if they are leaving in each case as the same remainder means, so you can find the difference of any two numbers means 73 minus 25 or 97 minus 73. So these HCF can decide your answer, or otherwise you can go with the option verification. Next one. Find the least multiple of 23. So we want 23 multiples. Just check it out directly which one is a 23 multiple. And which when divided 18, 21, 24, it leaves the remainder 7, 10, 13 in respectively. Then see, first to find out the common multiple of all these parameters. So this is the 3 common multiple. So 3 6 are 8, 3 7 are, 3 8 are. Again if you go with the 2 here, so again this is the 3 times, 7 times and 4 times. Finally 3 2s are 6, 7 3s are 21, and this is the 4. So finally 21 into 24. So go with the calculation. 24 ones are 24, 4 here, 2 here. 24 twos are 48, 48 plus 2, 50. Then answer is equal to 504K. And we can subtract it. See 18 and 7, 21, 10, 24, 13. Though maintained as common difference. So whatever the common difference in the remainders and divisors, those value always be the subtracted. Then you can check with directly. So 504, which one is a cancel? If you go with it, this is for 6 times. 504 into 6. So answer is equal to 3024. And we can subtract 11. 3024 minus 11 exactly equal to 3013. So option 3013. Then next question. The ratio of two numbers is 2:3. And their LCM is given. See, if the numbers are given, the exact numbers are 2x and 3x. If you want LCM of these two parameters 6 is equal to 6x. The LCM is equal to 54 and 6 become exactly for 9 times. Then my question, sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers means 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is a 5x. 5 9s are 45. Option is equal to 45. Okay, next one, see. The LCM of two numbers is 864. H.C.F is 144. If one number is 288, find the other number. So we have a theory. If product of two numbers always indicated LCM of two numbers into H.C.F of two numbers. See, so LCM is given 864. H.C.F given 144. If one number is 288, then other number. So this is exactly 2 times. This is 4 times, 3 times, 2 times. So other number is 432. In the same way, the product value they already given. See, 24. The difference between two numbers is equal to 2. If you want the equation, x into x minus 2 exactly equal to, the product value is exactly equal to 24. Why? Because directly they given product of LCM and HCF. See, we want the multiple consecutive is 2 difference. So 24 can be written as 6 into 4. So these two numbers are 6 and 4. Okay, if HCF and LCM of two numbers are 7 and 140. If numbers are between, we require the numbers are between 20 and 75, then find the sum of two numbers. So in this question, see, I just go with HCF concept. Its HCF is 7. The numbers are 7x and 7y. And xy I just called as co-prime concept. So that is the information. So if we want LCM of these two numbers, 7xy is exactly equal to 140. Then xy is exactly equal to 20. Check it out. The possibility pairs for xy as a 20. So you can go with the 1, 20 as the co-prime. Next one, 2, 10. Next one, 4, 5. So these are the 3 co-primes. But see, 2, 10 is not a co-prime. But 1 and 20, 4 and 5 both are co-prime numbers. But see, the numbers is always in between 20 and 45. If you replace a 7 here, 7 1s are 7. 7 is always less than 20. But the numbers always between 20 and 45. That's why you cannot consider these pair. Then you can replace us here. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. See, the numbers is always in between 20 and 45 means these are the exact numbers. Here my question, find the sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers is equal to, so 35 plus 24 is exactly equal to 59. So option is equal to 59. So 7 5s are 34, 7 4s are 69. Sorry, this is the 59. So option is equal to 59. Sum of two numbers is equal to 36 and their HCF is 4. How many pairs of such numbers are there? We just find the how many pairs can be a possible. See, if HCF is 4, the sum of two numbers are 4x plus 4y is equal to 36. Then x plus y exactly equal to 9 only. Then the possibility pairs are 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5. These are the 4 pairs. You can choose as a 4. But see, x and y always defined as a co-prime concept. So co-prime numbers means 1 8 is a co-prime, 2 7 is co-prime, but 3 6 is not a co-prime. Why? Because the highest common factor of 3 and 6 is a 3 only. Then 4 and 5 is also co-prime. So the total number of possibility pairs are 3 only. So option 3. Next one. The numbers are in the ratio of 2:3:5. The HCF is 12. Find the LCM. See, if 2, 3, 4 means those numbers are 2x, 3x and 4x. Out of all these numbers, the x is the highest common factor. The value becomes 12. If you want LCM means, see, if you want LCM means 12 into 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, the LCM is exactly equal to 12. So 12 12s are 144. Option is equal to 144. The next question. The LCM of two multiples of 12. So those two multiples means 12x and 12y. So the LCM of two multiples of 12 is 1056. If one number is 132, find the other number. That is the question. Then see, the LCM of these two numbers is equal to 12xy exactly equal to 1056. Then cancel here. So 12 ones are 12. 12 8s are 96. So 12 8s are 96. Again we have a 96 carry forward. Again 12 8s are. Then xy is equal to 88. Then the possibility pairs are 1 comma 88, 2 comma 44, and 4 comma 2 comma 44 and 4 comma 22 and 8 comma 11. These are the four pairs there is a possible. See, but 244 422 is not a co-prime, so we have a two chances. But see, if one number is 132 means you just replace us here. 12 ones are 12, 12 88s are more than 132 means we cannot replace us these number. Again you replace us here. So 12 into 8, so 12 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8. The value become 96. Again 12 into 11, 12 11s are 132. If number is 132, the other number is 96. So option is equal to 96. See next one, the least number. So least number means LCM, which when divided all these numbers, which leaves remainder 2 in each case. So they have a direct one. So LCM of all these parameters, the common remainder we are added. Then we get out of any of these options. So this is the one procedure. Or otherwise you can go to option verification. See, if each and every number, these all the numbers are exactly divisible. See, if we subtracted minus 2, 46 minus 2, the value become 44. So 44 is not divisible in 16. So this is not option. Again 48 minus 2, 48 minus 2, the value become 46. 46 is not a multiple of any of all these numbers. Again 50 minus 2, 50 minus 2, the value become 48. So 48 be the common multiple of all these parameters. So the option is equal to 50. You can go through the option or find the LCM of plus 2. We get the answer. Same thing next one. The maximum means we required as the HCF. The maximum number of students among 1001 910 pencils can be distributed such a way that each student gets same number of pens and pencils. See, we want to distribute a maximum. So each value is the maximum. Maximum is a concept of HCF. See, find the HCF of 9 10 1001. So 9 10 times. So we get the 91 remainder. And 9 1 10 is exactly 10 times, we get 0 as a remainder. If we get 0 as a remainder, the previous divisor is highest common factor. So option is equal to 91. Next one, find the greatest number of 5 digits. See, we required a greatest 5 digit number, which when divided by 3, 5, 8, 12, it leaves 2 as a remainder. See, so this is the question. Go with the first manual approach. Find the common multiple of all these numbers. See, find out the common multiple of all these numbers. 3, 5, 8, 12. So the common multiple of all these numbers is equal to 120. If these multiple is exactly divisible by 5 digit number, it leaves 2 as a remainder. So 2 as a remainder means, see, the value is exactly equal to 120k plus 2. Okay, first check out 5 digit numbers means a 5 digit number, a greatest value means 9999. So again 5 digit means 99,999. So this number is divisible by 120. Just check it out. So 12 8s are 96. So 12 8s are 960. We get the remainder 39. Again you can focus on the one more 9. If you go with that 9 as a carry forward, 123s are 360. Again we get the value of 39. Again 9 is a forward. Again 3 times the value become 360. We left with a remainder of 39. So whatever the remainder, we need to subtract it. Why? Because if you add those number, it become a 6 digit. We want 5 digit means 99,999. We get 39 is subtraction. The value become 99,960. But 99,960 is not an answer. See, here my question. Every time we leaves 2 as a remainder. If you want 2 as a remainder, then option is equal to 99,962. Why? Because the remainder should be added. So if you don't go with the procedure, go with the option verification. See, those number we are added plus 2. Means every time, every option we can subtract it minus 2. That is our step number 1. And each and every number is divisible by 3, 5, 8, 12. So what is the property of 12? So if any number is divisible by 12 means that number must be divisible by 3 and 4. First of all, see, we can cancel all these numbers. Why? Because 999 is exactly divisible by 3. Then see, 99 minus 2. 99 minus 2, the value become 97. 9 plus 7, 16. So this is not divisible by 3. Next one, triple line is cancelled. Again you can subtract it 2. We get 83 as a resultant. 8 plus 3 is not divisible by 3. Again if you focus on 60, 60 minus 2, the value become 58. So 58, the resultant is 13. Again this is also not divisible by 3. And finally, if 62 minus, so triple line is cancelled, 62 minus 2 is equal to 60. So 60 is exactly divisible by 3, means you can go with the direct option. This is the D. This is the option verification. Then next question. Find the least multiple of 13, which one divided by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which leaves the remainder 2 in each case. See, same question. If you want these answer means LCM of all these parameters and leaves there as a common remainder plus 2, then you can check the answer. Or otherwise you can go with the direct option verification. Out of all these numbers, which number is exactly divisible by 13? You can check it out. That is the option verification. Just see. I just pick a rule. So if any number is divisible by 6 means the number must be divisible by 2 and 3. And every time he leaves a remainder 2 means we can subtract it minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Then see. If 2520 minus 2, the value become 2518. Again we have a 5 divisible property. If you want 5 divisible property, definitely units place as a 0. So A is eliminated. If 840 minus 2, again it is not divisible by 5. So focus on these number. The resultant is 840. The resultant is 2520. Then you can check with all the properties. So these number is divisible by 4, these number is divisible by 5, these divisible by 6, and these divisible by 7 and 8. So all these numbers 2, 4, 2. So these two numbers can satisfy all the properties. But see, if we want the number must be a 13, so check it out, 13 divisible. 842 divisible by 13 is exactly divisible or not. See, so 13 ones are 13, 13 sixes, so 13 sixes, see, so 13 sixes 78, so 13 sixes 78, we have a 62 common. So 62 is not divisible by 13, so that's why 842 is not an answer, so option is 2522. So go with the direct option verification. Next one. Find the largest number, the 4-digit number we required. The numbers are exactly divisible by 15, 18, 21 and 24. The remainders are 11, 14, 17 and 20. See, the divisor numbers and remainder maintained as a common difference. If you maintain as a common difference, the answer is LCM of 15, 18, 21, 24 and the common remainder, whatever the common remainder, that should be subtracted. And these resultant can indicate any of these number. So I just go with the option verification. See, I just add here LCM of numbers minus 4 is equal to these resultant. Means if you want these number means the 4 is added to each and every number. So 4 is added. That is the first type of verification. Next, if you want divisible by 15 property, the number must be divisible by 3 and 5. If you want 18 means the number must divisible by 2 and 9. See, 21 divisible property says 3 and 7 satisfied. 24 divisible property says 3 and 8. If any number is divisible by 3 and 8, the number is also divisible by 24. Then go with the verification. I just go with the 3 property. 6 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So just go with the plus 4, sorry. So if you go with the plus 4, the value become 57 plus 4 is a 61. So 6561. 6561 is exactly divisible by 3. But these numbers, see, if units place is 1, the number is not divisible by 8. So definitely this is not an option. Next one, 7556. If you add plus 4, the value becomes 7560. So 7560 means 7560, all the numbers is divisible by 3. Divisible by 9 property. See, the sum of resultant is 8. So 9 is also divisible. So check with the 3 property, we can satisfy. 5 property, we can satisfy. 560 is divisible by 8 means 7556 can satisfy all the properties, means option is equal to third one. Okay. Find the least perfect square which divided by 21, 36 and 36. Which one is exactly divisible? So these type of question, if you go with the calculation means find the LCM of 21, 36 and 66. Then you take a time. Then go with the option verification. See, if any number that is exactly divisible of all these numbers. Then, if any number is divisible by 21, the number is must satisfy 3 and 7 rule. 36 can satisfy all the rules of 9 and 4. If 66, a rule can satisfy 6 and 11, the number must be divisible by 66. Then see, so this is the basic property. So I check with the 3 rule. So sum of all the numbers. So 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 4 8. So all the numbers is exactly satisfy divisible by 3 rule. Then focus on 11 rule. 11 rule says sum of their alternative differences. Then see 2 4 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10, minus 4 3 7 8. The difference is 2. So A is not answer. Then 2 4 3. So 4 plus 3 9 9. So 9 minus 9. The difference is 0. So maybe B be the answer. Then check with these also. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 1 9. So 9 minus 9. We get the 0 resultant. So there is a C is also answer. So 2 1 3 means 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7. So 7 minus 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 3 11. The difference is 3. So again D is not answer. So there is a 2 options again. Then you can check with the divisible by 7 rule. See, I will tell you the divisible by 7 rule. If it is a 6-digit number, pick a last 3 digits and we can subtract previous digits. The resultant is divisible by 7. The entire number is divisible by 7. So I just go with the C option. 4 minus 3 1, 4 minus 1 3, and 4 minus 2 231. Check it out. 231 is divisible by 7 or not. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Again 7 3s are 21. So these number is satisfy all the properties. Means the exact perfect least square is equal to 21,344. See, out of these two numbers, see, if you go with these properties, same rule, 213, 214, 213, 214, 213 is the minimum number. So you can also check with the same concept. We required as a minimum. If you want minimum means again you can choose as a C without any divisible by 7 rule. See, find the least number which when divided by 4, 5, 6 leaves the remainder 1, 2, 3. See, the calculation 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3 maintained as a common difference. So in this sense answer is equal to LCM of those numbers minus common difference. So we just subtracted common difference value. Okay, see LCM of 4, 5, 6 is equal to 60 and the common difference is 3. So answer is a 57. Next, if 3 numbers which are co-prime, if one and another. See, the product of first 2 numbers is 551, last 2 numbers is 1073. Find the sum of 3 numbers. See, so before this question, I just explain one thing. If you consider as a prime numbers, 2, 3, 5 is the prime number. Product of 2 numbers, 2 into 3. Product of next 2 numbers, 3 into 5. If you observe that, the second number of 3 co-primes always be the highest common factor. This is the important concept. Then see, first number into second number, the product is equal to 551. Second number into third number, the resultant is 1073. Then identify the HCF. The HCF is always be the second number. That is the see, find the HCF of these two numbers. If you want these numbers, HCF means 551, 1073. So 551s are 551. We get the remainder. It's a 2, 2, 522. Again 551 one time 522. We get the remainder 29. If we get 29 as a remainder, 522 is the exact divisible by because so 29 ones are 29, 29 eights are 522. We get the remainder is 0. Means the highest common factor of these two numbers are 29. That is the second number. If 29 divisible by 551, see 551 divisible by 29, 9 become a 1 is a units place, definitely that is absolutely for 9 times. And if you the number 1073 is divisible by 29, if 9 become a 3, 9 become a 3, definitely units place is 7. If you want 107 divisible by 29, definitely that is the 3 times. The answer is equal to 37. If you add all the numbers, see 19, 19, 39, 39 plus 9, 48, 48 plus 37 is equal to 85. So option is 85. Next one. Let the least number of 6 digit. We required as a 6 digit number that is exactly divisible by 4, 6, 10, 15. It leaves 2 as a remainder in each case. Find the value of n. So sum of digit of n. See, first find the LCM of 4, 6, 10, 15 is the 60. Why? Because 60 is the common multiple. And 60k and he has a 2 as a common remainder means the value must be 60k plus 2. Check it out. Least 6 digit number means 0, 0, 0 and one more 0. So this is 1 lakh as a 6 digit number. And these number divisible by 60. 61s are 60. We get a 400. So 40 as a remainder. And 66 are 360. Again we get the remainder value of 40. So we have completed 201 forward. Again 360. Again 360. again 360. We get finally remainder is 40. So we want least digit means we need to add the remainder. If you add the remainder means find the difference between these two numbers. The difference between these two numbers is equal to 60, 40, difference value 20. So answer 100,020. And he said that we required every time as a 2 remainder means the answer is plus 2. So the final 6 digit number exactly equal to 10022. Here my question, sum of its digits value become a 5. So option is a 5. Next, find the greatest number when divided by 122 and 243. It leaving a respective remainders are 2 and 3. So they'll use as a respective remainders are 2 and 3. Then find the greatest number. So greatest number means highest common factor of 122 minus 2, the value become 120, and 243 minus 3, the value become 240. So HCF of 120 and 240 is 120. So option is 120. Next, the students of class can be grouped exactly 6 or 3 or 7. The minimum number of students in the class. So the minimum number is a concept of least common multiple. The least common multiple of 6, 8, 10. So 6, 8, 10, the least common multiple is 120. So option is equal to 120. Why? Because 6 20s are, 8 15s are, 10 12s are. Next, find the least number which when divided by 4, 6, 8, 9 leaves 0 as a remainder. When divided by 13, it's 7 as a remainder. So just go with the direct answer. If any number is divisible by 13, we leave as a remainder 7. See, if you go through the options, I just go with this one. See, if 13 6 are, so 13 6 are, so 13 into 6, 6 3 is 18 and 78. So but here we have a 85. So 85 means we get 7 as a remainder. So maybe that answer. And if you go to 13, so 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. We get a remainder is 30. So this is not an answer. Again, 13 5s are 65. We get a remainder. So 72 may be the answer. Again, if you go to these one, so 13 1s are 13. We have a 14 remainder, 13 1s are remainder, we get a 1 remainder. So these are not two options. So options either 72 or 85. But here my question, find the least number. Out of these two numbers, 72 as a remainder and these number is exactly divisible by all these numbers. So option is equal to 72. Next one, from a point of circular track, the distance of track is equal to 5 km. And the ABC, there are 3 are running at the same direction at a speed of 2.5, 3 and 2 km per hour. They are in the starting point. At what time they will meet again? See, circular track is a concept of least common multiple. And we know that speed is equal to distance by time. If we want time is equal to, the answer is distance by speed. So simply answer LCM of distance by speed means 5 by 2.5 and 5 by 3 and 5 by 2. The answer become, so 5 by 2.5, the value become 2 by 1, 5 by 3, 5 by 2. If LCM of any fraction means LCM of numerator divisible by HCF of denominator. So LCM of 255 is a 10 and HCF of 132 is a 1. So answer is equal to 10 hours. In the same way, second question, the 4 bells rings at an interval of 4, 6, 8, 14 at 12 o'clock. At what time they will be trolling together? See, trolling together is a concept of HCF. Why? Because if the question of circular track, what time they will meet each other? See, if it is a trolling bells means at what time they will be ring together. Together is a concept of LCM means least common multiple gives as the first value of together or meet each other concept. Then see, find the LCM. So 4 can be written as 2 square, 6 can be written as 2 into 3, 8 can be written as 2 cube and 14 can be written as 2 into 7. If it is the factorization concept, we take it as a highest power and we does not require any common number. So answer 2 cube into 3 into 7. So 7 3s are 21 and 2 cube is equal to 8. So answer 168. So 168 seconds means exactly the value of 2 minutes 68 seconds. See, they starts at 12 o'clock. Again they meets at 12 2 minutes 48 seconds. Why? Because 168 means 120 plus 48. So option is equal to 8. And these are the different questions which are related to LCM and HCF concept. Thank you.